In this video, I'm going to show you how to find Photoshop now that you have it installed and open it for the very first time. So after you have installed Photoshop, you will be able to find it in your application files. You can go to your hard drive and double click on it. You can then click on applications and voila, Photoshop should be located in there. I'll make this bigger so you can see it. So I have multiple versions of Photoshop on my computer, but there's Photoshop. You can click on it and open it from there. Another way to get there is by clicking F4 on your keyboard. So F4 on your keyboard is a quick shortcut into your programs on your MacBook. So there's my Photoshop right there. And since I use Photoshop a lot, I have put it in my dock down here on the bottom. And if you want to do that, you simply click on the app you want and you drag it down there and it will show up. So there's 3 different ways you can get into Photoshop. The first one is by going to your hard drive and clicking on applications. The second way is by clicking F4, the F4 key on your keyboard. And the third way is by putting it in your quick dock down here, your quick links, and you can just click on it in any of those locations, and then it will start to open. The first time you open Photoshop, it might take a while to load. What it's doing behind the scenes is loading a few pop-ups that it will do the first time you open it. It will give you you can choose to take a tour of the workspace. In our next video, we'll talk about the workspace and how to open your first photograph. Thanks for watching.